Hello friends who are about to step into the cryptocurrency sector. Today I will show you Ripple or XRP. Learn step by step how to buy and sell goods, perform trades through simple techniques. Furthermore, watch a demo in the video. On Binance Global with a discount code, meaning with a referral code, how to trade, how to benefit from this referral code, how to complete KYC verification, how to deposit your first funds into Binance Global, and most importantly, how to buy and sell Ripple or XRP. I will show you all of these step by step. Let's go to the video. This is exchangereferralcodes.com. Here, to get a commission discount, meaning a commission cashback on Binance by clicking on our banner here, you have the option to set up a Binance account for accessing all cryptocurrency information on this platform, expressed in many different languages. I completed all of them manually. Now let's open an account on Binance. Click this banner. This page will start loading momentarily. Make sure that you include my code on this page. Look for my details, name, nickname, and code. Finding my code is crucial. This indicates that this referral code is a working referral code and you can receive commission cashback with peace of mind. Next, create an account with email, or you have the option to complete the form on this page by using your phone, Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account. Proceed once you have submitted the necessary information. Okay, we've arrived at the Binance screen. What do we need to do in this step? In this step, first I will show you how to do KYC verification, friends. KYC verification is done like this. As you can see, make sure to log in first with the referral code. Once logged in, check the home page where you will find the required information. Confirm. The verify section. After that, you will upload either your passport, your ID card, or your residence permit. Then you will perform a biometric scan with your phone. Once you've finished the KYC verification process, my friends, we are now back on Binance's platform. The next step is to make a deposit in order to start trading. Look, it's the same on mobile. It's the same on the computer. Here you can go to the deposit section and click. Select your desired deposit method. Select the currency of your desired country. Next, I will demonstrate this by making a deposit. Let me guide you through an example. I simply pressed on the deposit section. You have various deposit options available: bank transfer, Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay. Simply choose your preferred method and then proceed by clicking the appropriate button. Now, how do we buy Ripple XRP? Let's say we bought $100 of USDC or USDT. We navigate here and click the market section. I've clicked on the market shown here. Next, I will move on to XRP from this point. Please pay attention. I visit XRP's market to do some trading. As you can see, trading is in progress. I clicked. The trading page is opened here. The red entries are sell orders, the green ones are buy orders, and here there is buy and sell. For example, I want to buy $100 of XRP. If you go below the current price, the middle price, this is the last buy order placed. The last one in the red is the last placed sell order. To make a quick purchase, click here, then come here, enter $100. We can buy 76 XRP with $100. Click on the buy section here and buy. When you want to sell, we had 76 XRP. Come here if you want to sell immediately. Click on the first buy order. Enter 76 here, and then just click on sell. It's really that simple and effortless, my friends. Of course, there are other easy ways to deposit money on Binance. Here, for instance, when you click deposit, you'll find easy deposit and buy with USDT. I'd like to demonstrate that to you. This is the easy deposit screen. When you get here, for example, you have the option to enroll your card now. Allow me to enter XRP. Okay, I'm here. I directly entered $100. I said buy XRP. Choose either Apple Pay here or choose different payment options. As you can see, everything is available here. Then complete the purchase. It's that simple and easy. So, we've learned how to buy and sell XRP. To explore further insights into the cryptocurrency industry, make sure to visit the Binance Academy pages by clicking on the provided link below. Expand your knowledge on volatility. Understand the meaning of food and FOMO. Join us and learn, friends. Beware of con artists posing as legitimate users on social media platforms. For accurate information, stay updated on crypto and exchange news. This is how you can proceed safely. Thank you for tuning in. Best regards, Emre Ata. Hope you enjoyed the show. Proceed safely by following these steps and precautions. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Best regards, Emre Ata.